ArchiCAD's got a fantastic new feature of creating custom door panels and making them part of the standard library, so we can take advantage of the extensive door interface that ArchiCAD 10 now offers. So if I draw a door leaf, I just model that out of regular ArchiCAD elements and I model it on the floor plan. So if I start this off by moving H can be 820, and if I go down an arrow to the V length, that can be 2040. So there's my door leaf. Just going to make sure that I might put that at 0 and the top of it can be at 50, so it's 50 millimeters thick, and make sure the material is black. Going for an architectural style door here, and then I'm going to draw another mesh which the bottom of it should be at, if that was at 30 and this is at 20, and that can be glass, and then I'm just going to draw some little glass panels here and multiply that out, so 3 copies is good. Then I have to select the door, hold the spacebar down, make sure I'm on the slope tool, and just cut the holes for the glass, make sure that it's all looking fine. Okay, so that's all fine. Then I need to select it, say File, save custom component, and then save this as a custom door panel. Choose, and I'm just going to save it to the desktop, architectural door, save as an ArchiCAD object file, save it. This new custom architectural door GSM will be available in the settings dialog boxes of relevant objects which recognize it. So if I go OK, then if I get a wall, and then if I click on the door and go to door panel, go down to custom door panel, and over here got to make sure that this door panel is in the loaded library. Just going to open the library manager, go to the desktop, and on my desktop select this door, add it, done. Now when I go to the door and I go to the door panel, go down to the custom door, and architectural door comes up straight away, and I just push OK, which you can't see there, and I place the door. So straight away it's got all the properties that ArchiCAD normally has. There's a door on the floor plan that I did, and there it is in there. Now, the nice thing about this is with the door I can still put all the other nice things that are available through the ArchiCAD interface onto that door. Very nice. So if I just go back to the floor plan, just going to grab that door and make it look a bit nicer. I'm going to turn that labeling off. Make sure there's no marker there. and just get it to sit in the wall like that. Might even put a door handle on it. Might just raise the height of that door handle. There we are there. Just one thing finally, make sure you save this door panel into your regular ArchiCAD library, so every time you start your ArchiCAD you don't lose track of that door and you can use it all the time again and again without having to recreate it. This is these door panels are really only limited by your imagination, and you can make any sort of shape you like with them at all, and you've still got the full editability. I'm not even sure that's a word, but you can edit it and modify it with all the regular interface options that ArchiCAD 10 has got to offer.